In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use chat on ClickUp. Start by opening ClickUp and navigating to the overview of your team space within your workspace. This is the home base where you can see high-level activity and quickly jump into collaboration. From here, look for the plus icon, typically near the top of the interface. Clicking this opens your creation menu. Choose message to start a new conversation. This is the fastest way to get a discussion going without leaving the context of your work. Once the message panel opens, switch over to channels. Channels help you keep conversations organized by topic, team, or project, rather than scattering messages across different tasks. If you need to see every channel available, select View All. This expands your view so you can browse existing channels, find the right place to post, or confirm whether a channel already exists for your topic. Next, narrow your focus by choosing the In Workspace option. This ensures you're looking at channels that live at the workspace level, which is ideal for broader updates or cross-team conversations. It's helpful when you want visibility across multiple spaces or when your audience isn't limited to a single project. After selecting the channel you want, use Add People to bring in teammates who should be part of the conversation. This is a great moment to include stakeholders, subject matter experts, or anyone who needs timely updates. Adding people here ensures they have access to the channel and can see the history rather than starting fragmented side chats. Return to the chat view and begin composing your message. Keep it concise and actionable. You can reference tasks, share quick status updates, or paste links to resources. If your team uses conventions like prefixes for topics or tags for priority, apply them here to make the thread easier to scan later. Clear, well-structured messages reduce follow-up questions and keep your channel tidy. To control who receives notifications, click Followers. Followers get alerts when new activity happens in the channel, which helps the right people stay informed without spamming everyone. Adjusting followers is especially useful for temporary projects or when a topic becomes more specialized over time. Finally, use Highlight to draw attention to a key point or a critical task reference so it stands out in the thread. This is perfect for deadlines, decisions, or next steps that shouldn't be missed. A well-placed highlight makes your message skimmable and actionable for busy teammates. That's it. You've opened chat, found the right channel, added the right people, managed notifications, and emphasized what matters. Now you're ready to communicate clearly and keep work moving inside ClickUp.